Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe my channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the stock selection for tomorrow based on candlesticks pattern. So the stocks which we are going to focus for tomorrow using a candlesticks pattern that I'm going to find out by based on the charting scanners and screeners, which help you to find out some stocks how it is formed such a pattern. So that we are going to discuss here right now. And first we see the Nifty. Yesterday it forms a homing PGN kind of candle, homing PGN kind of candle. So this is what a homing PGN bullish kind of candle. So here there is a 2 consecutive negative days in a Nifty. Would be possible to break out this level. If it is possible, either it breaks above 17,726, would be a possible to move upside, or if it is goes down below 17,487, would be a downside. In Nifty there is a good opportunity to trade Nifty over and above. Here it's a buy signal around 17,726 and a sell signal below. There is a 17,487. We are focusing for a sell opportunity in Nifty and buy opportunity above 17,700. This candlestick pattern is nothing about homing PGN kind of candlestick pattern. So that will give you both the sides, but this this pattern is a bullish pattern, but market already in top. So there is a possibilities to reversal also be there. So the risk for the trade is around 17,700, almost near about a 200 plus point is the stop. But there is a great candlesticks pattern where it is present on Nifty. May it breaks above or breaks below, which continues the trend according to the direction once it is break. So Nifty looks good, and Bank Nifty it's same like a candle, but it is not inside between the low of the candle. It is closed, but it looks like a inside bar. But inside bar first candle should be green and second one be red or opposite in color. But if any candle which is each in colors, which is called a homing pigeon kind of pattern which is present. So it looks like a homing pigeon, but Nifty is looking great compared to Bank Nifty. So that is a analysis where we are based on the candlesticks. Even Bank Nifty also we can focus it for this level. The level for a Bank Nifty is around 39,471 and 38,800, almost 600, 700 point, 680 point is the risk for the trade if you are focusing for a Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? So let me go for our analysis and we'll go for a scanner for stocks for tomorrow. We are finding out doji bottom, doji top. We didn't get any stocks here, and we are finding out shooting star. It's a daily basis. It's about LIC Housing Finance, as well as it is up to monthly as well as current month low, current month high. So LIC Housing Finance is the only stock which we find out by shooting star. Let's look at the great shooting star which is present on LIC Housing Finance. We can focus for 400 to sell level and 409 as a stop loss. Here we are going to focus for a 400 as a selling entry. Once it is breaks down below the level, we can go for sell with a stop loss of 409. So this is what looks good after a great uptrend. So just keep on moving higher and higher. There would be a 3 bar, looks like a 3 bar, but when we see there is a reversal after big move in a particular stock, there is a shooting star which is forming at the top of the trend. So maybe the reversal possible on the stock. If it is breaks down, so we can expect the stock can go down. So as per the shooting star and hammer candle, let me go for a shooting star and hammer candle. So how many stocks we can filter out? By number 3 we didn't get any hammer candle. By number 2 you'll find any stocks will be filtered. Voltas and Aditya Birla Capital. These are these two stocks which forms hammer. Let me go for Voltas. Looks like a hammer. Yes, this hammer is not present at the bottom. So it is in between the trend. So you look at this, it is forming a in between middle of the trend, so it's not looks good. May either it may continue uptrend, or it may be stop loss for the trade is around 15 rupees. Looks good, but here is a looks like there is a support at this time at this area. It coming down the particular range of 980 and recovered back again and again, tested that level and recovered back. So that is going on in voltas, again coming down and goes up and again coming down. So maybe the 970 to 980 level would be a key support, but instead of taking 1007, we can focus for again if any candlesticks pattern which is forms nearby 960 to 980 would be the best chances to we are taking a entry at support. So I'm not going to focus this stock because it is happening in middle, and top also it is rejected, and previous top here it is going there and rejected and again. So not good, we are not buying at a low. So that is the reason, right? And AB capital, let me go for AB capital. E capital, let's go for, there is a hammer. Great, it is forming at the topmost level, and that means highest level. The hammer is forming the highest level. Even I have holding some position in AB capital, Aditya Birla capital. So I am holding a long position in options. If even if it is breaks, even I have some good chances to make profit 116.5, and my stop loss for the traders somewhere around 114.20. But this hammer is happening at highest level. Already I have a position at this point, and I'm waiting for if it is breaks this high, so we can expect even little bit higher. But the stop loss which you can focus for a 114.2 for a AB capital. So these two stocks, so one is AB capital and Voltas is forming a hammer on the condition of 2. And let me go to check it out any shooting star. How to find out shooting star? So lot of stocks which is forming on the shooting star number 3, LTI, Wipro, Sun Pharma, Polycap, Atul, lot of stocks. LIC we've seen already. That is what is the uppermost level. Let's we go for a Larsen and Toubro, LNT. Let me check it out whether it's a good or bad. The LTI, not LNT, it is about LTI. Larsen and Toubro Infotech. Yes, it is a shooting star. Previously we mentioned a shooting star at this point, 4807. And let's look at this move. The positional move where it is from 4009, nearby 4900. It went maximum of 4600 level, almost 300 point in 3-4 days. Again, it's another shooting star candle which is forms in the in between the trend. Maybe if the trend is continues in the stock, even it can give you some great opportunity to fall from that level. The level for this particular stock, it is already in moving sell on previous shooting star. Keep on continuing. So maybe if it is continues the trend, we can go for a 4651 as a sell entry, new entry with a stop loss of 4747. That is what a stop loss, and 4651 should be the entry. May it continues the trend because it is already keeps reversed from the top. And Wipro previously we seen about hammer. I think again here as hammer, another shooting star in the bottom, but previously I think it is a we are talking about a 3-bar reversal. We find out at that point and it went higher, and there is a shooting star which is forming at the top level after this reversal. So if you are going to take, we are selling at nearby lowest level, so not interested to take this Wipro. So avoid this because it is in middle, as well as we are talking about this is a nearby 52-week low. So we may ignore even the shooting star. It's happened. It's not happening at the highest level. And let's go to Sun Pharma, Polycap. Lot of stocks may give the reversal. Polycap looks good on the top level. So looking good at the shooting star. And we can go for this Polycap. It's a positional basis, not for an intraday. Previously the stock reversed to somewhere where it we mentioned, somewhere at this point we mentioned here. Let's look at this hammer which forms at this particular point where it has broken that level 2337. It moves towards 2600, the long back entry, and another hammer here at the same here, and it went huge, and again here hanging man. what a long term back we created, we filtered. So this is looking good, and the level for 2400 and 453. So where we are going to focus a sell entry on this stock. If you have focused it, sell entry would be 2401 and stop for the trade is 2453. So maybe continues the downtrend. So this day where gap down and it is went higher, but we try it out tomorrow. And Polycab, Atul, Sun Pharma. Go for a Sun Pharma. How it is, looks like Sun Pharma. Not good, not moving big and very narrow. Atul, Polycab, seeing Atul. LIC Housing Finance is a good one, and Atul also not good. 3 consecutive days it is an inside between this particular day, not moving yet higher. So as per this, we can go focus for a Larsen and Toubro and LIC Housing Finance, and let's go for a Polycab. That is also we can focus Polycab. So these are the 3 stocks we can focus for tomorrow. Already we got a lot of stocks. If you are checking about the number 2, how many stocks we got extra? Many stocks. Bajaj Auto, SCL, Canara Bank. We go for a Bajaj Auto. Not a good. So you see recent trades, it's not a big up and down, very flat. Don't go for a Bajaj Finance. And let me try to check Canara Bank. Yeah, it is in top. Maybe here you can find out every time it is reversing from the top. At this spinning top, fallen down, hammer, fallen down. So shooting star, and it is a highest level, would be the best stock in Canara Bank. We can focus it for tomorrow's trade. So the entry point from the Canara Bank is about 2387. Sorry, 238.7. 238.7 should be the sale entry point in Can Bank. You can keep the stop loss 244. So this is what entry point. So last consecutive 3 days up, and 4th day would be a hammer. So maybe the chances are reversal would be great in a particular stock. So we can focus these stocks for our positional trade in short side. So topmost level, the reversal, maybe the reversal may happen at the highest level, would be the great chance. You can focus it for Bajaj Auto. These are the stocks which we have already checked it out. NMDC, LNT, LT, FH. This one a few days back it went huge. I think it's a LNT technology, LTTS, sorry, not LNT FH. Not good. Focus Canara Bank looks good on the 2 frame, 2 level shooting star. So we have stocks which we have selected for tomorrow. We'll try how it is happening by tomorrow. We'll check it out, and that's about this video. I hope you like this video. If you liked it, like the hit button and share to your friends. If you have any questions or a doubt, just comment on the comment box. Thank you for watching this, and thank you very much. Thanks for your great support on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.